She attack. She attack to. She attack to me. Attack to she. You must be late. She attack. She attack to. She attack to me. Attack to she. You must be late. She attack. She attack to. She attack. Attack to she. You must be late. She attack to me, and me attack to she. But the day is coming that we must meet personally. She attack to me, and me attack to she. But the day is coming that we must meet personally.
How do you eat it? You just bite?
Yeah, it's finger food.
Oh,
so
okay.
you can just like an ice cream. You know the seafood around. The green.
Yes.
What the
Seaweed.
seaweed.
Yeah.
Risotto alla milanese, so the Milanese risotto with saffron, and paccheri, that is this kind of pasta with shrimps. Okay, so you can have one for you, and half and half. Ok,
Grazie.
poi torna a pagare, va bene?
Some meatball. Oh wow.
The main difference is that for making the standard meatballs, they look round, let's say. So if you put all together, you will have a bowl.
So this is the Milan meatball and this is the standard one. So the Milan one has more flavor off the bat. But then the Italian meatball, I guess you can say, they're like kind of squishy compared to ours. Our meatball is like just basically just meat, you know?
Yeah.
They're like, you taste it, right? It's like
I
squishy.
tasted it. Yeah.
And it's still squishy, but it's a little less, but with more flavor with the Milan. Va bene means okay. It's not va bene, va bene.
Let's say fried, melted, grilled.
Yeah.
Cheese from the northern part of the region, and this is a typical food from the northern east of Italy. It's called frico. It's a mix of cheese and potato, fried with actually
that?
these are fresh figs. So it's
Figs?
Yeah.
Okay. Alright, so this is basically it's like fancy cheese with potatoes, right? With the fig and the cheese potato, it's like sweet and like solid. Like together, it's muy delicioso.
Is that even Italian?
I don't know, bro. But
Va bene, va bene, va bene.
A rich dessert that people in the past used to eat in the morning to have energy.
Oh, okay.
Tiramisu.
I need that because I'm tired. It's kind of like that's a jello taste to it, and that's the coffee, of course. And there's something in the middle that I didn't get to yet, so I'll let you guys know.
Dig in, bro.
I'll let you guys know right now. Oh, it's kind of like, you see that? You see the texture to it? You can kind of tell what that's made of. I don't. I don't know.
Look at you. Hey man, pick me up.
This is going to be our last place to visit together. It's called Colonne di San Lorenzo.
Colonna de Rosellas. Sorry, say it again.
Colonne di San Lorenzo.
Colonne de San Lorenzo.
Or for the local, just Colonne. We will meet you in Colonne, so we will meet here. In the summertime, it's really crowded with young people drinking, sitting
really?
around here,
Right here?
playing music, yeah.
You got ID stuff?
The church also was one of the oldest church of Milan. Now,
Can we go inside?
yeah, we can go.
Si tu trouves ça intelligent de mourir sous, je te jure, ça fera bonne impression en ville. Tu sais ce qu'on dira?
Mourir sous, c'est mourir debout et je me fous des racontars. L'histoire jugera, madame.
Je bois systématiquement pour oublier les ennemis de ma femme. Je bois systématiquement pour oublier tous mes emmerdements.
I have to say goodbye, unfortunately. Ciao, bye, come to Milan, come to Walking Palace tour.
There you go. Review
course.
5 out of 5.
Yes.
Her
We
name
are
is
quite-
Alice. Hit her up. I'll link in the bio.
Yes. Bye. Ciao.
Ciao.
Me